Poem 10 CLM written by John Masefield. ಏನಿದು ಅರ್ಥ CLM ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್. ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಮದರ್ ನೇಮು ಕ್ಯಾರೋಲಿನ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೇಸ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. She died when she gave birth for sixth child. Sixth child birth ಆದಮೇಲೆ she dies. All the six children will be in a pain that they lost their mother anta. After few years, John Masefield wanted to show his love for his mother by writing a poem. So we will begin the poem. In the dark womb where I began, my mother's life made me a man. Through all the months of human birth, her beauty fed my common earth. I cannot see, nor read, nor stir, but through the death of some of her. The first line itself says, he got his life from his mother, that is in the womb. Her life made him as a man. How? She has struggled all the months of human birth. We know that human takes 9 months, a baby takes 9 months it takes 9 months of nourishment in the womb of a mother. After only it gets birth. So ashtu months, through all the months of human birth, a beauty fed my common earth. Illi common earth meaning ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ poet's body. With all her struggle, with all her stress, she fed him, the poet. I cannot see, nor breathe, nor stir, but through the death of some of her. Since he was in the womb, he cannot see her, he cannot feel the breath, nor he cannot stir. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ he says that he saw death of some of her. Every time when she gave her birth, she was losing herself. In this para, poet is trying to say the struggle or the pain of a mother who has a child in the womb. Next stanza. Down in the darkness of the grave, she cannot see the life she gave. For all her love, she cannot tell whether I use it ill or well, nor knock at dusty doors to find a beauty dusty in the mind. She is already dead. Though she gave birth to him, she is not able to see him because she has dead. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೋ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್, ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಶಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಮ್, ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಲವ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಲವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅರ್ ಲವ್. ಶಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಇಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್. ಇಲ್ means bad, well means good. She don't know whether the poet will be good or bad. Nor knock at dusty doors to find a beauty dusty in the mind. He cannot even knock the doors, dusty means not clear, doors to find a beauty dusty in the mind, to imagine how his mother is. He cannot imagine her. So he is saying his pain, like the mother has given the birth, she has given the birth, but she cannot see him. Amma birth ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ she is not there with him to see his life, whether he will be good or he will be bad. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೂ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋರ್ ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. If the grave's great gates could be undone, she would not know our little son. I am so grown. If we should meet, she would pass by me in the street. Unless my soul's face let her see my sense of what she did for me. If the grave's gate could be undone, if grave means once a person is died, we put him to the grave or we put him into the mud. ಆ ಗ್ರೇವ್ ಗೇಟ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್, ಏನಾರು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್, ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಮದರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗ್ರೇವಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಶೀ ವುಡಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ಹರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸನ್, ಇವರೇ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್. ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್, ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್. ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೂ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮೀ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೈ ಸೋಲ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಸಿ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಸೋಲ್. ಅದಾದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸನ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, the stanza. What have I done to keep in mind my debt to her and womankind? What woman's happier life repays her for those moments of wretched days, for all my mouthless body leeched, ere birth's releasing hell was reached. He says that what I have done to keep in my mind, ನನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಡೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೇನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್, ನಾನೇನು ರೀಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಥಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. And he also says that what woman's happier life repays are for those months of wretched days. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ woman will be happy for her for those months of wretched days. Wretched days is nothing but painful days. During the pregnancy or when a woman gives birth to the child, it is a very painful time. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ರೀಪೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ to make the woman happy. And he says that for all my mouthless body leeched, he says that he has sucked. Leech, and you might be knowing the leech, in Kannada we say jigne. For all my mouthless body leeched, I have absorbed everything from you. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು? ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೀಪೇ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಿನಗೇನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿಚ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. Ere birth's releasing hell was reached. Ere is an E-R-E, means before birth's releasing hell was reached. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಬೇಬಿ ಹುಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಯು ರೀಚ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ fourth stanza. And the last stanza. What have I done or tried or said in thanks to dear woman dead? Men tramp over women still. Men trample women's rights at will, and man's lust roves the world untamed. O grave, keep shut lest I be ashamed. He says, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ ಡೆಡ್, ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್. Men tramp over women still. These two lines is saying in general, men. Usually men dominates the woman till date. ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ men is dominating the woman. So men tramp over the woman. We are still like under the man control. Men trample women's right. Trample means to give trouble. Men will trouble women rights at will. ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. at will ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we say it as at will. And man's lust roves the world untamed. And man's greedy love rules the world and in a untamed way. Untamed is nothing but like a discipline. Without discipline, man's greedy love will race for the woman. O grave, keep shut lest I be shamed. He says that in the stanza 3, poet is saying that if grave's gates could be undone. But the same poet in this last stanza is saying that don't open the grave's gate because I feel ashamed. ನಾನೇನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ grave gate. This completes the poem.